So let's have a working test. Let's put the machine on. I will put it like 350 degrees and the air somewhere in between 4 and 5, a little bit of flux here. Let's try to get some parts off and on. Okay, let me start with this guy here. That should be a MOSFET, and we'll try later eventually with this chip and this transistor too. So it's good to have flux around and tweezers, of course. And let's see what's happening over here. It's a really big surface over there, so maybe I put it to 388. And there we are. So this went properly off. Let me see this one. This one should go faster. And there we go. Really fast. And what about this big guy here? And it's off. So I can say the hot air station is really working nice. Well, if it's a big surface like this, maybe 350 is not enough, but 380, that's a really good option. Let me have 350 and try to get something thinner. Like this little capacitor here. And there we go. Another one. Yes, of course. What about having one of these back in place? So, of course, before anything else, we should prepare the board, and here I have my trusty TS100. Okay, should be nice. Little bit of flux. And that should be okay. Let's go back and heat it up. And there we go. It's done. Okay, so now, like I said, let's try to open it up to see the guts in there. So, there we go. This is the electronic in here. It's a microprocessor controlled. We have a small transformer over there. That's only for the fan and the electronic in here. So that little transformer, it's not powering the heater, because the heater is getting straight from the mains. So this is somehow a little bit dangerous, but as long as you take care of the cables and you don't punch them or cut them or something, shouldn't be a problem. But all I can see, we have a ground connection there, a ground connection here. I have to check if we have a ground connection to the tip over there. But for now, it's nothing special to say over here. It's a very simple schematic. There are schematics on the web. It's simple to be reworked and fixed. This one, it's Yihua R208A, and there we are. So we have the fan in here. Okay, so this one runs with 24 volts maximum, and over here we have a thermocouple. I think this is taking the temperature from there, and it's nice because the heating element can be replaced very easily. But like I said, the whole ensemble, it's oh my we still have power over there. My mistake. And the whole handle can be replaced because it's not so expensive. It's not really worth it fixing. Okay, now I found out it's no use to have openings the other side, because the fan, it's working one way. You see, it's only here, so we have the air intake, it's only up here, so it's not really worth it to do any openings the other side. And let me have the last test here is to see if we have ground to the nozzles. Okay. Yes, and we have ground to the nozzles. This is great. Yes, it's done properly. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm really happy with my new toy. I can't wait to put it to work, to have some serious job to do. All I can say, like a hobbyist, I'm really delighted to have a machine like that. If they are saying it's professional, I don't know, we'll see it in time. But for now, I may say it's doing the job. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please send them. I'll answer as quick as possible. In the meantime, be safe and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.